Hello and welcome to my channel. If you enjoy quiche, this recipe is definitely worth trying out. So, let's get started. In a bowl, mix flour and salt. Cut cold butter into pieces and add it to the bowl. Rub the mixture by hand to form an even, crumbly mess. Add water and combine to form a soft dough. Flatten the dough and place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Let's get started on the filling. Fry 200 grams of thinly sliced bacon in a non-stick frying pan until it's crispy. Remove the bacon from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, fry 2 thinly sliced onions in the leftover bacon fat until they're soft. Set them aside to cool. Remove the chilled dough from the fridge. If you notice that it has too many cracks, try adding a couple of tablespoons of water and kneading it for a few minutes before proceeding. Once the dough is ready, roll it out on a lightly floured surface until it's about 3 mm thick. Next, place the dough into a quiche tin, pressing it firmly around the edges. If necessary, you can use a kitchen knife to trim any excess dough from the edges. Using a fork, prick the dough all over to prevent any bubbling during baking. In a separate bowl, mix the bacon strips and onions together. Distribute the mixture across the pastry base. In a bowl, mix full cream, grated Gruyere, and eggs. For seasoning, add nutmeg, pepper, and salt. Pour it carefully over the bacon and onion mixture in the pastry base. Bake the quiche on the bottom shelf of the preheated oven for about 40 minutes. The temperature should be 220 degrees Celsius. When it's done, remove it from the oven and rest for about 5 minutes before slicing and serving it warm. And there you have it, a delicious quiche that's perfect for any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like and subscribe for more great recipes. Let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.